Are you struggling to manage your business operations efficiently? At the Farber Consulting Group Incorporated, we specialize in ERP planning software designed to streamline your processes and optimize productivity. Our ERP solutions integrate smoothly with your business workflows, helping you manage inventory, track performance, and improve collaboration across departments. From accounting to supply chain management, we provide tailored ERP systems built to meet your unique needs. With advanced features like real-time data tracking and CRM integration, our ERP planning software ensures your business stays ahead of the competition. Whether you're scaling up or enhancing existing systems, we're here to empower your growth. At the Farber Consulting Group Incorporated, we deliver cutting-edge ERP planning solutions to drive efficiency and success in your business operations. Contact us at 732-536-4765 or visit dfarber.com for details.